The problem as it existed included 2 people required to handle core trays safely, excessive manual handling, pushing and pulling of heavy pallets, reaching forward and twisting while lifting core, and effective photographic quality. The task of photographing drill core identified a high risk of injury as it involved a high amount of manual handling. The core trays were initially positioned on the core racks and then transported from the racks to photograph the core. Each core tray was manually loaded onto a pallet and transported outside or to a better lit environment with the use of a trolley jack. Each tray was then manually unloaded from the pallet so that it could be photographed in the natural light. After the photographs had been taken, the core trays were loaded back onto the pallet. Each core tray was approximately 25 to 40 kilograms in weight. When completing this task, 10 to 12 core trays may be photographed at one time, therefore large amounts of load are required to be handled. The risk of injury to the lower back and shoulder areas were of main concern. These are the 2 areas of the body that are most under stress and were likely to result in injury. The photography stand was developed after a noticed increase in the level of manual handling incidents due to the handling of core. The stand allows for a camera to be attached to the distal end, making it possible to be wheeled throughout the core shed, taking pictures of the core without any further manual handling of core trays. The stand was developed with valued input from REG, field technicians, geologists, safety personnel and design engineers. The design and implementation of the new camera stand has eliminated the need for 2 people to be involved with the task. Employees have reported that the ease of use of the stand has not only reduced the need to continually lift heavy core trays, but has also made the job more efficient and time effective.
This is a quicker way. Before you had to randomly adjust it yourself, and it was harder, but this way you could get a photo quicker.
The new process would be a benefit because you're not bending, twisting, everything's set out on the rack, and all you're doing is moving the trolley along. Everything's at waist height for you, and it's only a matter of focusing the camera, hitting the button, renaming it, and then moving on to the next one.
In addition, having a system which allows ready, control and capture is a useful blend of engineering and IT, which has resulted in a very usable and rapid image collection system. The once manual intensive 8-step process has now been simplified to a 3-step process, which is far more efficient and less labour intensive.